You don't need to know math or statistics to do Six Sigma or SPC. All you need to do is select your data with a mouse. You can use one of the QI macros. It's just an add-in that we add onto Excel's menu, and click on Chart Wizard. The Chart Wizard will generate all of the charts possible. So it'll do descriptive statistics, so you know your data is normal, a box and whisker plot, and an X-bar R chart. And all the points are in blue, so there's nothing out of control. If you know you want to do a control chart, all you have to do is select the data with your mouse, click on the Control Chart Wizard. And the Control Chart Wizard will generate your chart. You can see we have a couple of out of control points here. If you click on the chart, you can see we get another QI Macros chart menu, and you could use the Process Change Wizard to identify any process changes. And the QI Macros Control Chart Wizard also generates a template. As you can see here, if you have a template, you can just add more data to the template, and your chart will grow automatically. This makes statistical process control simple. And if you need to do statistics, simply select 2 or more columns of data and click on the Stat Wizard. The Stat Wizard will give you output, and it will tell you that the variances are not different, the means are not different, and they're also not equivalent. So it's done an F-test, a T-test, and an equivalence test. So the QI Macros is the only software that has a chart wizard, a control chart wizard, stat wizards, and things like pivot table wizards, word count wizards, and an entire improvement project wizard. No one else does this. And you can download a 30-day free trial from QIMacros.com.